increasing to 10 to 15 knots in the afternoon. Winds 64 knots. Visibility 1 to 3 miles per mile in the morning. Friday night, south winds 10 to 15 knots. The following is a flash flood watch announcement from the National Weather Service. Flash flood watch in effect from 2 p.m. this afternoon through late tonight. The National Weather Service in Hamilton has issued a flash flood watch for portions of central New York and northeast Pennsylvania, including the following areas: in central New York, Broome, Killing, Shenango, Delaware, Steuben, Sullivan, and Toyota. In northeast Pennsylvania, Bradford, Lackawanna, Northern Wayne, Pike, Southern Wayne, and Susquehanna. From 2 p.m. this afternoon through late tonight, heavy rainfall from overnight has saturated the grounds and local streams, and creeks are still running higher than normal. Additional rainfall amounts of isolated 1 to 2 inches expected this afternoon into the early evening that could lead to additional flash flooding. You should monitor later forecasts and be prepared to take action should flash flood warnings be issued. Patchy fog after midnight with visibility 1 to 3 monitor later forecasts and be prepared to take action should flash flood warnings be issued. Flash flood watch now in effect through late tonight of northern New Jersey. The flash flood watch is now in effect in portions of northern New Jersey and northwest New Jersey, including the following areas: in northern New Jersey, Middlesex, Morris, Somerset, Sussex, and Warren. In northwest New Jersey, Huntington, through late tonight, a near stationary frontal boundary combined with a hot and humid air mass will cause 1 or more rounds of thunderstorms with heavy rain to affect the area from this afternoon into tonight. Rainfall amounts can be highly variable, but a general 1 to 3 inches of rain with locally higher amounts is possible through tonight. Heavy rain in a short period of time may cause streams to increase to rise quickly out of their banks. There is also the potential for flash flooding across more urbanized areas and those areas with poor drainage. You should monitor later forecasts and be prepared to take action should flash flood warnings be issued. Here is the Friday night, south winds 10 to 15 knots. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly has issued a flash flood warning for northwestern Burlington County in southern New Jersey, southeastern Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania, northeastern Philadelphia County in southeastern Pennsylvania until 6:15 p.m. At 2:12 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 0.5 and 1 inch of rain has fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 2 to 3 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that may experience flash flooding include Philadelphia, Bensalem, Willingboro, Florence, Burlington, Bristol, Riverside, Palmyra, Bordentown, Beverly, and Tullatown. This includes the following highways: New Jersey Turnpike between exits 6 and 7A, Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 350 and 359, Interstate 95 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 47 and 40, Interstate 295 in New Jersey between mile markers 48 and 57. Motorists should not attempt to drive around barricades or drive cars through flooded areas. If you work or spend time outside. When possible, reschedule. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly has issued a flash flood warning for southeastern Worcester County in central New Jersey, southwestern Monmouth County in central New Jersey, south central Middlesex County in northern New Jersey until 6:40 p.m. At 2:37 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the Warren area. Between 0.5 and 1 inch of rain has fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 2 to 3 inches are possible in the Warren area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Trenton, Manalapan, Ewing, Jamesburg, Hightown, Cranberry, Allentown, Roosevelt, Windsor, Twin Rivers, Inleytown, and Edinburgh. This includes the following highways: New Jersey Turnpike between Exit 8 and 8A. Interstate 295 in New Jersey between mile markers 58 and 66. Interstate 195 in New Jersey between mile markers 0 and 15. Turnaround, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Motorists should not attempt to drive around barricades or drive cars through flooded areas. The following is an Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Ocean County in southern New Jersey, eastern Worcester County in central New Jersey, northern Burlington County in southern New Jersey, central Monmouth County in central New Jersey, southern Middlesex County in northern New Jersey, southeastern Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania, northeastern Philadelphia County in southeastern Pennsylvania, until 4:15 p.m. At 3:08 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Cranberry, or 13 miles south of New Brunswick, moving northeast at 15 miles per hour. Other strong to potentially severe storms were located from northeast Philadelphia to Hamilton and were nearly stationary. Hazard: 60 miles per hour with gusts and heavy size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Philadelphia, Old Bridge, Bensalem, East Brunswick, Manalapan, Wilbur, Princeton, Florence, Burlington, Bristol, Milton, Riverside, Elmira, Philadelphia, Bordeltown, Cranberry, Beverly, Allentown, and Allentown. This includes the following highways: New Jersey Turnpike between exits 5 and 9. Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 352 and 359. Interstate 95 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 30 and 40. Interstate 195 in New Jersey between mile markers 2 and 18. Interstate 295 in New Jersey between mile markers 44 and 58. And between mile markers 63 and 69. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. In addition to large hail and damage wind, frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Flash flood warning remains. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Monmouth County in central New Jersey, Middlesex County in northern New Jersey, until 4:30 p.m. At 3:31 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over East Brunswick, or near New Brunswick, moving northeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour with gusts and maple-sized hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines if possible. Locations impacted include New Brunswick, Crook Amboy, Sandy Hook, Edison, Middletown, Old Bridge, East Brunswick, Sayreville, North Brunswick, Marlboro, Carteret, Seton Falls, Holder, Red Bank, Kingsburg, Potomac, Jamesburg, Highlands, and Brown Haven, Yorktown. This includes the following highways: New Jersey Turnpike between exits 10 and 12. Interstate 287 in New Jersey between mile markers 0 and 3. Garden State Parkway between mile markers 110 and 132. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. In addition to large hail and damaging winds, frequent ground-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm, and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:30 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey, Middlesex, and London. For the following counties in New Jersey: Hunterdon, Mercer, Morris, Sussex, and Warren, and the following counties in Pennsylvania: Berks, Bucks, The following is a severe thunderstorm watch announcement from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 374, effective until 11 p.m. This watch includes the following county: Newcastle, Delaware, and Cecil, Maryland, and the following counties in New Jersey: Burlington, Camden, Gloucester, Hunterdon, Mercer, Monmouth, and Salem, and the following counties in Pennsylvania: Berks, Bucks, Chester, Delaware, Montgomery, and Philadelphia, and the following marine locations: Delaware Bay waters north of East Point, New Jersey to Slaughter Beach, Delaware, and Chesapeake Bay north of Pools Island, Maryland. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, severe thunderstorm watch number 374 has been issued until 11 p.m. for the following county: Newcastle, Delaware, and Cecil, Maryland, and the following counties in New Jersey: Burlington, Camden, Gloucester, Hunterdon, Mercer, Monmouth, and Salem, and the following counties in Pennsylvania: Berks, Bucks, Chester, Delaware, Montgomery, and Philadelphia, and the following marine locations: Delaware Bay waters north of East Point, New Jersey to Slaughter Beach, Delaware, and Chesapeake Bay north of Pools Island, Maryland.